the Costco. A lot of people in the Costco for shopping. A lot of people in the line. I'm waiting here like 45 minutes already. So I don't know how long it's gonna be take. A lot of people in the Costco. Yeah, now like 2 minutes. That's it. Yeah, today coronavirus. That's why I come to shopping here. Jackson High, New York City. Spada Brothers. I need to buy a lot of things. I needed rice and flour. I have a lot of things here. This is my flour. This is for my beans, white beans, black beans. Oh, I have a Nepali YY here. This is a momo masala. Turmeric powder.
4 का पैकेट होता है साथ में वो तो मैं तो उधर गई थी आप ये चार्ज कर लो मैं वहाँ पर जाकर देखती हूँ जी इतना ही प्राइस में आता है क्या भी प्राइस येलो रेड होते चाकू लिखो
Coronavirus, that's why I need shopping. Yeah. 39.3. And buy my credit card here. Okay. Perfect. Thank you very much. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the items or if you purchase from the Costco. I went to Costco today. I bought 2 of this one. They sell only 2, 1 pack. Also this is the roping alcohol, 70%. So everything you purchase from the Costco or grocery and the supermarket, you need to wear it, okay, before you touch it. Make sure you wear the gloves and you need to wear it. So you need to put this one here. Actually I have a spray, the empty spray bottle I can put there next time. So you need to wear it, everything. You need to wear, make sure everything clean. So you never know who touched here before. So that's the purpose. You need to, okay, you need to wear everything. Every single item you purchase it, you need to clean it, everything. Make sure you need to clean like that. Once you come to the home from outside, you need to spray to your shoes or your jacket, everything. And even to your door handle, everything you need to clean by this one. When you go to bathroom, and you need to clean the toilets, the toilet seat, and also the lights. So you need to use this one. Thanks for watching. I hope this is very helpful to you guys. Please subscribe and be safe. Thank you guys.